La Odinga kutheria maundu akiuga kiama kia ODM gitiri giakorwo na ngwataniro na kiama gia Kenya Kwanza na kuongerera ati kiama kia ODM gigutura gikia uregani. Nake mũmbunge wa Immense Central Moses Kirima kubura ati MPs manyitire mbaru kuruta Rigathi Gachagua gĩtĩ-inĩ metĩkĩtie ati Kithure Kindiki niwe egucagurwo ari ta munini wa president.
So we signed on strength that Kindiki is going to be appointed as an DP. But from the time we passed that impeachment, things are not as they were. But I have seen it that you people, you are trying to coin it and make it that it's William Ruto who told us. It did not. It did not tell us. We have our own brains. We have our own consciousness. And by the time I was saying that Gachagua will not be impeached, I wanted to be remembered. I had no idea, and I didn't have that rumor that it's Kindiki who is supposed to be the deputy president. If it's not Kindiki, I could not have voted out Gachagua.
Borithi kuruguria mubango wa guthuthuria kuragwo na kunyitwo kia hinya kwa murutwo wa miaka 22 kuma University wa Mount Kenya thutha wa mwiri wake kuonekana mugunda wa mbembe Rungai na Ikuru County.
Sada moment nilikuwa napita hapo kwa India, kulikuwa na shamba imepandwa mahindi kando. Saa mimi kupita nikaona mwili ya mtu imelala hapo kwa hiyo shamba. Sasa tulikuja kwa akili yangu, mimi nilifikiria ni kama maybe anaweza kuwa alikuwa analima alafu ameanguka.
At about midday we got a report that there was a dead body. This is a scene possibly of murder.
Nake gavana wa Kericho Eric Mutai kuhonoka kuhagurwo thutha wa seneta 34 kuhura kura ndage gutururwo. Igoti rinene kugerera mucirithania mūnene Chacha Mwita kwaga kuruta watho wa wakurugamia Senate guthie na mbere na mubango wa kuhagura munini wa president Rigathi Gachagua.
Consider the application and argument by parties, the constitution and the president, the prayer for grant of conservatory order is declined. However, in view of the issues raised in this petition, which also appear to relate to those in petition E522 of 2024, which has been certified for purpose of appointing a bench of an even number of judges to hear, I certify this petition as raising substantial questions of law and of public interest in terms of Article 165 sub-Article 4 of the Constitution. This file is to be placed before the Honorable Chief Justice to consider appointing an uneven number of judges to hear this petition. Given the close proximity of the issues in this petition and those in petition E522, the Honorable Chief Justice may consider whether this petition may be heard by the same bench appointed to hear petition E522. I make no order on course. Thank you.
Ino ni tafarira ya mururumo ritwa riakwa ni Wanjikũ wa Ngũgĩ.